As Nikon continues its testing and development in the imaging department, the camera community is filled with anticipation for the upcoming Nikon products and eagerly awaits what the manufacturer has in store for them. In today's video, we're going to discuss 4 potential cameras that will come out in 2023. Let's start with the unusual one. Some reliable rumors are circulating about the upcoming announcement of the Nikon Z4, a full-frame mirrorless camera that bears a resemblance to the Sony A7C. This speculation originates from an earlier Nikon patent that showcased a camera design lacking an electronic viewfinder and potentially having fewer ports compared to similar models. Currently, Nikon has not revealed any official specifications or additional details regarding the camera. However, it's important to note that the patent primarily focused on the camera mount rather than the camera itself. The Z4 is expected to prioritize a lightweight and cost-effective approach by omitting in-body image stabilization. Furthermore, rumors are suggesting that Nikon will introduce 2 new compact FX lenses featuring vibration reduction: the 16-24mm f-stop Force 6.3 VR and the 24-105mm f-stop Force 7.1 VR. Now, the upcoming Nikon Z6 Mark III is anticipated to come equipped with a 33-megapixel FX format CMOS sensor, catering to the needs of professional enthusiasts by delivering high-resolution images. It'll be powered by the efficient XSpeed 7 image processor, ensuring speedy and effective image processing. One notable feature of the camera will be its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which will help stabilize the camera and reduce the impact of shaky hands, resulting in sharper photos and smoother videos. However, it's worth mentioning that Nikon has been using the same IBIS technology across their product line for a while now, including the recently released Nikon Z8, which also features 5.5 stops of 5-axis image stabilization. It would be interesting to see an improvement in this aspect. In terms of video capabilities, the Nikon Z6 Mark III is expected to offer uncropped 4K video recording at 60 FPS. It will also support analog and have the 10-bit internal recording, providing a greater dynamic range and flexibility during post-processing. Additionally, there are indications that this camera will support HDR and ProRes RAW formats, enhancing its versatility for capturing high-quality video content. Another speculation also suggests that the Z6 Mark III will inherit the AI-based subject detection system from the Nikon Z9, enabling advanced subject tracking and improved autofocus performance, so at this point, who knows? When comparing the Nikon Z7 Mark III to its predecessor, the Z7 Mark II, there are several notable differences worth mentioning. Firstly, the Z7 Mark III will come equipped with a higher resolution sensor compared to its predecessor. It's expected to boast an impressive 61.2 megapixel sensor, whereas the Z7 Mark II featured a 45.7 megapixel sensor. This upgrade means that the Z7 Mark III will be capable of capturing more intricate details and producing larger prints. Moving on to video capabilities, both cameras offer 4K video recording. However, the Z7 Mark III will surpass its predecessor in terms of maximum frame rate. It's rumored to support 60 FPS at a 1.2 times crop or 120 FPS at a 1.5 times crop, whereas the Z7 Mark II records 4K video at 60 FPS with 93% coverage of the sensor, resulting in an approximate 1.08 times crop. Additionally, the Z7 Mark III will be capable of shooting 4K video at 30 FPS without any crop, which is not possible with the Z7 Mark II. Another significant difference lies in the image stabilization technology. The Z7 Mark III's in-body image stabilization is expected to provide up to 6 stops of stabilization, surpassing the Z7 Mark II's 5-axis IBIS that offers 3-axis stabilization when used with adapted F-mount lenses. While this may seem like a small improvement on paper, it can make a significant difference when capturing photos, potentially resulting in sharper and more stable images. Nikon is also exploring new possibilities in the realm of frame rates by introducing an astonishing 4K camera with the ability to capture up to 1000 frames per second. In the past, Nikon has never played the FPS game, but that's about to change. This revolutionary camera will feature an advanced stacked CMOS image sensor, which Nikon proudly quotes as having the world's highest levels of sensor performance. The sensor incorporates cutting-edge wafer-level wire connection technology and boasts an impressive pixel size of 2.7 micrometers. With a notable pixel count of around 17.8 megapixels, this sensor will enable high-resolution 4K into 4K imaging at an astounding 1000 FPS, accompanied by an exceptional dynamic range of 110 dB. At this point, you may have guessed that this camera is primarily intended for industrial applications rather than consumer use. However, it's hopeful that someday similar implementations will make their way into consumer-grade models, following in the footsteps of Panasonic and Sony. So, are you excited about these upcoming Nikon cameras? Waiting for any specific one? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.